The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Now, there is a few pieces of videos and the audio that is circulating on social media, and these videos and the audio is about an incident that had happened on Old Hope Road in St. Andrew, Jamaica on the 2nd of October 2019, where a tractor driver lost control of the heavy-duty vehicle. Now, according to reports, the tractor was going along on Old Hope Road when somehow the driver of the tractor lost control of the vehicle and slammed into a Toyota car that had been driven by a male. Now, it has been said that the bucket of that tractor then lifted the Toyota car in the air with the male in the car and also slammed in a section of a wall that is of a Texaco gas station. Now, it has been said that the driver of that Toyota car fell from the car while the car was being hooked in the air by the tractor's bucket. There is also reports that another car got hit during the whole incident, and it has been said that that car had been driven by a female and that the female got splinters in her eyes. There was also a report that a baby was in the car that was being driven by the female and that the baby is okay and did not get any injuries. There was no report of any fatality. Now, viewers and subscribers, I have a audio that I'm going to play for you, viewers and subscribers, of someone explaining as to what had happened in his own words and understanding. And while I'm playing that audio for you, viewers and subscribers, I am going to play some scenes as visual so that you can also see some of what had happened or how it looked like at the scene of the whole incident. Alright, now bear in mind that this is about an accident, viewers and subscribers, so some of what you are about to see and hear might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright, observe.
I stop and I check out what I go on. You know, say the tractor now on a brake, my friend. Man, I come down with the tractor there and it now on a brake. And he might try, I don't know if I boom, I might try boom it round the corner there. And it running at the carina vehicle there, and he may not have to lift the carina off of the ground and running a Texaco wall there, so mash down Texaco wall with the person in a vehicle. See? And it end up a lick all one Vitz. The woman gone to hospital to wait in a Vitz because she have her baby and something in her car. And that splinter all in a woman, yeah, you know. You see me? So, I want a serious accident, man. All the pro box there, where you see in a car, I want taxi pro box mash up too.